Hello friends, this is my new USB charging cable. The brand is Anker brand. This is one of the leading brand, America's leading USB charging brand. The world fastest and most durable. You can see it comes with a meter of 1.8 meter and in the feet it's 6 feet. You can charge and you can synchronize all as well. This is the one of the powerful cable. See, they have mentioned something. It has 18-month warranty and the choice of 12 million plus happy users. Many people are using this cable and they are very happy and very satisfied because it's very long lasting, very strong cable, and I suggest my friends, please do buy this kind of cable from Anker brand, America's leading USB charging brand. So let me open for you and show you. So here I'm opening for you and just I'll show you clearly how it looks. The packing is very good. You can see this is the sealed pack, and here it is. Let me open for you. And here it is, the strongest USB cable from Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. So let me show you how it looks exactly. You can see here it's the very strongest. You can hang on this, but it will not break. So such a kind of strongest cable. I suggest you friends, if you want to buy something worthy and long lasting, so you can buy this brand USB cable. You can see here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and get more fantastic videos.